Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 92. If Manuel deposits 25% of $130 into a saving account, what is the amount of his deposit? So in this questions, we have a few methods to solve. So without calculate anything, I can choose the correct answers. So for example, do you know 100% is the whole thing? 75% is 3 over 4 of 100, right? So 50% is half and 25% is 1/4. So if I have $100, 25% of $100 is $25. But in this case, I have $130, which is my 25% will have to greater than $25. So anything is 25 or below, I can just eliminate it. Okay, so 97.5 is really close. $97.5 is really close to 100, and I don't think that it will be a 25% of 130. Half of 130 is 65. Okay, half of 130 is $65, and this one is above the 50%, so of course it's bigger than 25%. So I eliminate D and then choose C as the correct answer. I don't need to do any math here, right? But if we have to working on this, we have another method. When we set $130, okay, this one is about 100%. And then we have 25%, question mark. How much or what is the amount of the deposit? So money on the same side, percentage on the same side. Now question mark will be equal to cross multiply and divide by the rest. Cross whatever we can cross, connecting it, do the multiplications. 130 times 25, okay, divide by the rest. Divide by 100. Now 100, we can rewrite this as multiply by 25 over 4 times 25. 100 is 4 times 25. That's why 100% here is the full thing, and 25% is 1/4. It's because 25 is simplified, and then we have 130 divided by 4. So 13 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. Drop the 0. You have 10 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. You have 2 left, and now the decimal. Okay. 20 divided by 4, that is 5. And for the money, we need one more digit, the 100 place. Okay, so the correct answer is C. We have another method is combine the 10%. Okay, so how we find the 10% of 130? So power of 10 is telling me I can just take off that 0. So 10% of $130 is $13. 25% is combined of 10%. You add another 10%, and then you add a 10% divided by half, which is 5%. Okay, this is 5% because 10 divided by 2 is 5%. That 10 plus 10 plus 5, that is 25%. Now you know this one is $13 and $13, and then at $13 divided by half, which is $6.5. Okay, now you just combine them. This is $26, and you add $6.50. So 26 add 6 is 32, and then $0.5. Okay, so you can just use like the common sense for the first one. You can set up like the second one, and then you can just combine the percentage using the power of 10, like number 3, method number 3. And whatever is faster, easier for you, you can use it. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.